Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Luno Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own research before you invest your money. Now the next site we will be having a look at is Luno. Now this is a Bitcoin wallet. Now I have personally been using this one for over 4 years. When we initially started with Luno, you could only buy and sell Bitcoin on this account. Now at the moment they do have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Rippel, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin and the USD coin. If you go to explore, you will see there's a lot of latest news, a lot of updates, and they let you know exactly what is going on Luno. They also let you know what the latest information is about crypto in the marketplace on the coins they do have. So there's a lot of great information and articles in there for you to go and have a look at. Now if you go to your wallets, now in your wallets you will see your current currencies. When I initially opened my account I could only open it with euros. I didn't have the option for British pound, but since then I've been able to add a pound wallet as well. So now I've got a euro wallet and a pound wallet. Now if you would like any extra wallets, you just go into add and then you can just add any wallet you want for the other cryptocurrencies. But at the moment this one only has Bitcoin for me personally, because it's only my Bitcoin I've got in my Luno. I do have a lot of other cryptocurrencies in my other wallets. The newest add-on that Luno has done, which has been really great in my opinion, is they have a savings account. If you use my link in the description below, you can earn £10 of free Bitcoin. So how does it work? First up, you need to set up your profile, then you need to buy £100 worth of cryptocurrencies, and then you get £10 free Bitcoin. So make sure to check out my link below, and if you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue to show your support. Now in your savings account you can add your balance, and then you can earn 4% interest on the Bitcoin you have in your savings account every single month. Now if you put your money in there, it takes up to 7 working days for you to withdraw your money if you would like to withdraw it. The only downside is this is a risky investment and your crypto is not safe. That's why I only put a partial part of my Bitcoins in there. But if we scroll down, you can see the cryptos I've been earning every single month. Now it's not a lot, but compared to what I would have earned for crypto anywhere else, I'm really happy with that. And Luno has had a survey out the other day asking why we aren't using the Bitcoin savings account for this, and I did make them aware that I would be more than happy to put my Bitcoins in the savings account if there was security and insurance on my Bitcoin so that I will not lose my Bitcoins. They are using the money you put in here to loan out, like banks loan the money we have in our savings account out for businesses. So they also get interest rates back on loaning that Bitcoin out, and in return they give us a percentage of that back, exactly the same way a normal bank works. Let's go have a look at what do they say about the savings account. So if we look here at the savings wallet, here they explain to you how you set up your savings wallet, and here you've got step 2, how to add your Bitcoin into the savings wallet, and then the frequently asked questions, who is your lending partner? So here they explain a bit more about who is the lending partner, and if you go click there you can have a look at the risks involved, how much interest do you earn. You'll earn a target of 4% per annum. The one thing you need to take into account, your Bitcoin fluctuation is exactly the same as in your normal wallet. So if the price of Bitcoin increases or decreases, your Bitcoin in your saving wallet do exactly the same. So then if you go further down, when do I get paid? We get paid on the 1st of every month. When can I transfer my funds out? So you can transfer it out whenever you like. There's no penalty cost to that, but it can take a few days. So just keep that into account. So here you can read more about the risk of how it works and everything. So Luno does try and make sure your Bitcoin is safe, but unfortunately, due to cryptocurrencies not having the same deposit protection insurance, your Bitcoins that you put in your savings wallet is not guaranteed. So there's a lot of information here you can go and have a look at if you are interested in your Bitcoins earning interest. Now, if you would like to buy Bitcoin on Luno, there is two options. On your home screen, you can just scroll down and decide how much money you want to buy and buy your Bitcoin. But I personally would not recommend this as it costs you more than you normally would have to pay. I personally go into the exchange to go and buy my Bitcoin. Now on the exchange you have your buying and selling options. So all you need to do is select the price you want to buy your Bitcoin at. Then you can make a choice of how many Bitcoin do you want or the price of how much money you want to invest. Let's say you want to buy your Bitcoin when it's 25,000 British pound, and then you can swap it so it goes to pound, and you only want to invest 50 pounds. Then you can see at the bottom the total Bitcoin you are buying. And here you can also see the fees for buying Bitcoins in Luno is at 0%. So all the money you spend on buying Bitcoins get used to buy Bitcoins instead of paying on fees, which I think is really great as well. Then you select buy and it will place your order for you. So as you can see, your buying was successful. So now it will lie there. When the Bitcoin price gets to 25,000, it will buy you that Bitcoin. And if you want to cancel that order, all you do is click on it again and you cancel. So that is how you can set the price. Now, if you aren't really wanting to wait for it, you can just put on the current available price and then click the amount you want to buy and it will buy it automatically for you. As you can see, here are a few sales and buys already waiting for the price to go up or down and being fluctuated. And this is the amount of Bitcoin they are selling or buying. So in my opinion, this works a lot better and you get exactly the price you want to pay for Bitcoin within reason, because obviously you can't put there you only want to pay 50 pounds for a whole Bitcoin. It does depend on the price of Bitcoin at the stage. So it will buy the Bitcoin when it's at the price that you are interested in buying your Bitcoin at. So it does work the same as stocks when you put a limit on it and you have a limit, a market and a stop limit. So that is all helpful for you if you would like to use it that way. And if you want to sell it to get your money back, you can sell it again. Then it goes to your fiat wallet and you can put that back into your own bank account.
I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any questions for me or any topic requests, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.